emergency for Boulder City and surrounding areas. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Clark County in southern Nevada until 3:15 p.m. At 12:10 p.m., emergency management reported a break at the Hoover Dam causing rapid and catastrophic flooding downstream along the Colorado River. Life-threatening flash flooding is expected to impact Boulder City, Henderson, and other downstream areas. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for Boulder City and surrounding areas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by a break at the Hoover Dam. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Boulder City, Henderson, Laughlin, Mopa Valley, Searchlight, and Lake Mead Recreation Area. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown while encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Avoid low-lying areas and stay away from known floodplains and washout zones.